The biggest reason State House why they should be shaken at the moment is because Western politics has always been a battleground. President Ruto depends heavily on building alliances across the regions, especially in places where the opposition unity can easily threaten the ruling side. If Natembeya starts becoming a serious mobilizer for Fred Matiang'i, I can say that for a Matiang'i-friendly movement, the ruling camp will risk crossing the comfort of disunity that has helped them survive politically. A united Western voice can shift the national arithmetic very fast. Sasa tunajua viongozi ambao wameshikilia President Ruto from Western, it's Musalia Mudavadi and Moses Wetangula, and right now they are not famous. They were famous before, but at the moment there are some leaders who right now are being listened on the ground. Another major factor is the kind of voters Natembeya will influence.